Hello, and welcome to the series of basic concepts of organic chemistry from your tutor doctor from DV Tuitions. Now, who is this video for? Anyone who is looking to learn the basics of organic chemistry. This is aimed at year 10, 11, and 12 students who are struggling to understand the basic concepts or fundamentals of organic chemistry. Now, I am going to make a series of videos. I am going to cover the syllabus of first the GCSEs, then the Year 12 students for the fundamentals. The videos for Year 12 students will be clearly labeled as for Year 12 students. So Year 10 and 11, you can choose what kind of content you want to consume. Now, in terms of the boards, AQA, Dexel, OCR, I'm going to say this again. Organic chemistry is going to be organic chemistry. It does not differ with the boards. But whatever is you're looking for, just look at the video title. If it is not for GCSE, it will be clearly mentioned. Now let's delve into the world of organic chemistry. Now, what is organic chemistry? Or let's say, what is the word organic? Now, anything which is natural, you walk into a supermarket, you look at the organic aisle, you find organic vegetables, you find organic fruits. What it means is they've been grown without any pesticides. They're naturally grown. They're given their own time and they're naturally grown, and that's why it's known as organic. Now, when it comes to organic chemistry, it is the study of compounds that contain carbon, except the simple ones like carbon dioxide or carbonates. Now, my students do ask me, the students who come to my tuitions, they do ask me, Bonnie, let us know what is the difference? How come if organic chemistry is all about compounds that contain carbon, they do also contain other elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, or like halogens? Now, quick question for you guys to answer at this point. What are halogens? Halogens are all of the elements in group 7 of the periodic table, right? Group 7 of periodic table, and those include that of chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. All of these are halogens. Now, think of organic chemistry as carbon chemistry. Carbon is the main building block of life and fuels. Now, when we get into organic chemistry, there are certain keywords like homologous series, functional group, and we will learn about them. Now, carbon forms a vast number of compounds because the beauty of carbon, it is in group 4 of the periodic table. So therefore, it has 4 electrons in the outermost shell. And because it has 4 electrons, it is able to form 4 covalent bonds with other elements. And carbon's bestest friend, or the BFF you would like to call, is hydrogen. Now here I have drawn methane, CH4, a simple alkane. Now, always remember, because carbon forms a vast number of compounds and it can form strong covalent bonds with itself, this property of carbon enables it to form these long chains of carbon atoms and an infinite variety of carbon compounds. Now, what is a functional group? The first thing you will encounter, what is a functional group in organic chemistry? A functional group is a specific atom or a group of atoms which confer a certain physical and chemical properties onto a molecule. For example, if you're seeing alcohols, you will always find, whenever you're looking at a formula of alcohol, you will always find the OH functional group in that. Now, all the organic molecules or compounds are classified by the functional group on the molecule. So, for example, the street in which you live in, every house might have a same outward design. But if I have to come to your house, let's say, how would I identify it's your house? It's your door number. So think of functional group as a door number, which gives a specific identity to that molecule. And let's say, for example, alcohols are identified by OH in their formula. Now, they can be different kinds of alcohols, but they belong to the same homologous series. So we say organic compounds with the same functional group. So they have same functional group, Fg as in functional group, belong to the same homologous series. So homo as in same, logous is having the same properties. Now also remember, every time a carbon atom is added to the chain, 2 hydrogen atoms are also added. And I am going to explain that when we get into types of formulae in organic chemistry. And I will show that to you in a different video, types of formulae for organic chemistry. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.